Hi. So one thing I don't understand about the Constitution is how we went from a wall of separation and how that got translated into a separation between church and state. Um, I thought it was just going to be like a wall of, it says just a wall of separation between the government and the church. So I don't know how that became a separation of church and state. Things I wish the founders would have included: a clearer definition of what constitutes a fundamental right. I don't feel like that's as clear. Making the electoral college numbers independent of the congressional numbers, and then also in the same line with that, making the allocations of electoral votes different, a little more clear. Talked about in Article 1 and 2. My view of the appropriate method when applying the Constitution, I think that there's a time and a place for both methods, modernist and originalist. I know that Judge Scalia had talked about the originalist view as really the only intellectual view to interpret the Constitution. While I agree with that, I think that there were many things in the Constitution that were made well, but it obviously doesn't apply to this day and age. I understand the founders tried to make it vague, and so it could be kind of this living constitution, and it could change with the times, but I think in order for it to change with the times, you have to interpret it with the modernist view as well. It's not all going to be black and white anymore like it used to be. Maybe a little simpler to interpret. You didn't have maybe as many factors to consider when you were interpreting the Constitution back when that was first created. And then the other issues I would like to address for this class or the materials, I find the internet link that you gave us that coincides with the textbook, I find that helpful. I don't find the cases easy to read. I don't find them user-friendly, I guess you could say. I don't find them user-friendly at all. I'm trying very hard to find a correlation between this class and the leadership program. The MOL, how this class is going to help me with my leadership. I have no desire to learn about the law or apply that in my leadership because I don't see the connection with those two. And that's it. Thank you.